Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've got a little bit of a thrift haul. My favorite thrift store is Unique, which it's the same brand that owns Savers and Value Village, and I think they're great thrift stores. They have great quality, their prices are really great, and they have a really cool reward system. So the ones around where I live, every Thursday they do a members discount. So if you're a part of their reward system, you get 25% off, which is really cool. And then they offer different sales and stuff throughout the year for members. But I've never been on a Thursday. I'd always kind of avoided it because I was afraid it was gonna be super busy and I just didn't want to deal with all the people. But yesterday, which was Thursday, was kind of my day off. I had some work stuff in the morning and then I just had the afternoon that I was like, I'm gonna go to the thrift store. And I found so many things. I had to restrain myself. I could have bought double the amount of stuff that I did. There was just so much stuff that I really, really liked. So I have a few things and I want to share them with you. The first thing I got is this little pot. I think it's so cute. I have a new plant back here. You can kind of see it right here. It's just in this little plastic pot right now, but I thought it would look so cute in this 80s styled pink pot. My one worry is that it's kind of narrower at the top. But I think if I really get a lot of dirt in here and then put it in, it should just sprout out of here. So cute. So this was $4.99 and it was 25% off. So I saved $1.25 on that. So this was $3.75. And I'm so excited, and I think it would look super cute in our living room here. We have lots of wood and blues and grays, and I think this peachy pink would be super cute with those colors. Something that I've seen a lot of lately, and I've been really interested in the trend and trying it, is little scarves. So I see them all the time. I have friends that wear them that are just little necktie kind of things. So I found two. The first one, I think, they're both cute. I think this one might be my favorite just because I like the white and the pattern on it. If you see, it's little daisies on here. So adorable. I love it. And this was $1.50, $1.49 before the discount. So I don't even know how much that was. It was a little over $1 then, but so cute. I love it. I think it'd be super cute tied around the neck like this. I don't really know what to wear this with, but I think it's so adorable. Little necktie. It's just so cute. It'd be cute with this outfit, I guess. Just as is. But I love it. I think it's so adorable. Could wear it in my hair too, maybe a little tie up here or something. We'll see. And then the second one is so cute too. It's a little bit bigger. So the other one was a little bit of a smaller square. This one's a square too, but it's a little bit bigger. And this is such a pretty orangey rust color, and there's this really cool floral pattern on it. And this one is pure silk, which is really awesome. And it was $2.99. Oof, so cute, so sweet. I think these are so adorable. They're just, they're so sweet. Now, moving on to clothes, it's a lot of blue and it's a lot of denim. This first item, I'm kind of on the fence about it. I might return it. I'm not 100% sure. It's a denim dress. So it's this button-up denim dress. Can't even fit it all in frame. It's this cute little button-up mom 90s denim dress. And it's full length, it goes down to my ankles. But I thought it was so cute. It has this little tie on the front of it, which I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna keep it. If I keep the dress, I might take these off. I don't know, I think it'd be cute with like a belt around the waist because I feel like it needs something to divide the denim up a little bit. But it's so cute. It's Liz Claiborne and it was $9.99. But again, with the discount, I brought it down to $7.50. Where can you get a dress for $7.50? And it's so cute. I love the denim. I thought this would be super cute. So have this like buttoned up and then have the little scarfy scarf. So sweet. Next is a denim shirt. So I'm wearing a denim shirt. This was actually thrifted too. I got this a while ago, thrifted. This is almost more just like a blue shirt and less denim-y. And I think I paid like $4 for this or so, $4 or $5. But this one reminds me of a shirt that I used to have. It was a denim shirt and I literally wore it until there was holes in it. Like I literally wore holes into my denim shirt because I wore it all the time. And it was kind of like this same color. It was kind of like a darker denim and a similar fit. I feel like this actually fits a little bit better. This is a Merona shirt, so it's from Target, but it was $3.99, so that brought it down to $3 with the discount. But it's just such a classic little denim top. Throw it over something like I do today, or just like wear it with some leggings or some jeans. I love them. Like my wardrobe consists of little shirts like this. And then the last thing I got was a flannel. So it's not exactly flannel season because it's getting hot outside, but a great time to buy flannels. I noticed at the thrift store there was so many flannels. And I have another flannel from this like same fit. This is another Target one, but this is the Massimo brand and it's the boyfriend cardigan. And I have another one of this, but it's red and I love it. But unfortunately with my hair, like this like pinky peach color, red kind of clashes. And so this one is so perfect. I love it. It's like super worn in already. It's almost got like some like fading in it. It's so cute. It's dark blue. It's got a little bit of light blue. It's got some white. It has like some little like orange stripes. It almost looks kind of like pinky in some spots. I love it. And again, it was $3.99, so it was $3. I love it. It's so cute. I put it on with like some jeans last night because it's a little bit oversized, and then kind of like tied it up in the front, and it was ultra cute. I also did that with this denim shirt. I put it on with like some white flares and tied it up in the front, and then put this little scarf on with it. It was so cute. I'm sorry I'm not doing a try on haul today. I have things to do. I have a party to go to tonight and I just got behind on filming things. So you might just have to follow me on my Instagram and I will post some looks there soon because I'm so thrilled with these purchases. I love it. That was my thrift haul. It was $20 and like 14 cents or something for 2 button-up long sleeve shirts, the denim dress, the 2 scarves, and the pot. I just can't stop with thrifting. I'm like so obsessed. I have to control myself, because usually if I go, I will find things. The reason I've been wanting to go recently is because we're actually redoing one of our rooms. We moved into our house a little over 2 years ago and we have 3 bedrooms. Now, we only need 1 bedroom because we are just 1 people. And we actually rent out another room to like friends or like people that we know that are just kind of like looking for a spot to live. Maybe it's for not very long, maybe it's for kind of as long as they need. For a while we had both of our extra rooms rented out, and then when we had someone leave, we kind of realized we don't want to have 2 roommates, and we're turning 1 room into a studio space. So my husband and I both have YouTube channels just for funsies. It's like a fun hobby to have. And so we're turning one of our rooms into a studio space. So I actually was shooting up there the other day. I've had a few videos filmed in there recently. The walls are blue. So we've been painting. I've been painting actually. Over this last weekend I put up some primer and we're painting it white, and we're gonna have one dark like gray wall. So I will keep you posted on that, but I will have a new filming space soon. But the reason I'm saying that is because I wanted to find some stuff for it without spending like all of our money on decor in there. So I was looking for things, but I didn't really find anything. And the pot was the only home decor thing I found, and for right now it's gonna be in the living room. Maybe eventually it'll move up there, but for right now I think it would look super cute in the living room. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love thrifting as much as I do, tell me about it down below. I'd love to hear about any thrift finds you've found recently. I love a good deal, and thrifting is an obsession of mine. So, anywho, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And until next time, bye guys.